Similar to previous Samsung flagship releases, the Galaxy S25 series has surfaced early in the rumor circuit. Several well-known sources have shared insights about the anticipated flagship for early 2025, including a recent leak that showcased a supposed early mock-up of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Reports suggest that Samsung might be planning a notable change for its upcoming models, a rebranding of names. According to trusted leaker Yajish Brar on X, Samsung is contemplating a shift in the naming convention for the Galaxy S25 series. The Plus designation is rumored to be replaced with Pro, while the Ultra title could be swapped for the familiar Note branding. It remains uncertain if the standard Galaxy S25 will also see a name change. However, if Brar's information holds true, the next lineup from Samsung could be referred to as the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Pro, and Galaxy S25 Note. While it may seem unusual for Samsung to alter the names of its flagship smartphones at this stage, Google recently made a similar move with the Pixel 9 series, introducing the Pro label to its second-generation foldable and launching a new Pro XL model alongside the Pixel 9 Pro. The shift from Ultra to Note suggests that Samsung aims to remind potential buyers that they are investing in a premium flagship device, complete with unique features integrated into the S Pen right from the start. While these features have been part of previous models, it seems the company took its time to implement a name change. Meanwhile, the possible rebranding of the Galaxy S25 Plus to Galaxy S25 Pro indicates that this mid-range model might finally receive enhanced hardware, boosting its significance in the lineup. With about 6 months until the Galaxy S25's launch, many things could evolve in that time frame. Given the current trends in the industry and the fondness many users have for the Galaxy Note series, it makes sense for Samsung to shake things up a bit. So, what do you think about this new naming strategy from Samsung? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and for more updates, be sure to check out our channel. Until next time, take care.